Hey everyone, we're here at the 2019 Mid-American Truck Show in Louisville, Kentucky. I've commandeered Randy Menkel. He was working on the truck, cleaning on the truck here. I said, hey Randy, you've done some of these interviews before. Why don't you do some more for me? So, Randy, tell me about the truck here. Never Satisfied. Don't spare any details on it. And even there's some guys in the background working on the truck. Explain what's going on.
Well, we're just here trying to get ready for Matt's 2019, trying to get her to where she needs to be, and all the touch-up done and cleaning that needs to be happening. So, actually got one guy standing here in the grill of the hood right now cleaning.
Who's that?
That's Dustin Shipman. He's the co-pilot of this truck, main pilot, honestly. And we got Paul Peretti, Team PP, over here, getting her all wiped down and clean.
Now, the first thing I want to say is this all necessary? I mean, this is a lot of wiping going on there.
Well, Chris, it really is kind of necessary because we've been to those shows where they'll pull out a Q-tip and start looking for dirt. So we get everywhere we possibly can and try to make it look better than it did the last show.
Now, I'm going to cut you off at the pass. Actually, I'm going to cut some of the other people off at the pass. Somebody in the comments may say, well, that truck don't work. So I'm going to defer to Dustin. What do you do with this truck now?
Well, this truck is a 2008. It's got 615,000 miles on it. It's worked its entire life as a heavy haul truck. We've taken it off the road for the last year and a half, 2 years now, and we've showed it and kind of given it a little bit of time for relaxation for us to show the truck and for what it's worth and what it's done. And it's time to shine for it a little bit.
Right.
So.
You still do some work with it, though, right?
Yeah, a little bit here and there. Not, just jockeying some trailers around
Right.
and kind of just showing customers what we've got and what we've
Right.
worked,
Okay.
So that's a little bit of what it's going to do. And then after it's time on the shelf, we'll probably get it back on the road and then work it some more.
Okay.
So.
All right. So right now we're just having some fun with it.
Yep, pretty much.
All right.
Having a lot of fun with it.
All right. So as far as what's new with the truck, because we've seen this truck, it's been around some of the shows. What's new on it? I think actually behind me that cover.
We've done a stainless steel firewall cover. Kind of covered up everything there on the firewall that may have looked bad, or somebody's opinion may have looked bad. And we ended up having to make a new T out of the air-to-air piping there and kind of redo all that stuff there, and
Now you
just really cleaned it up.
Okay, so can someone go buy a stainless cover like that somewhere? Or
No,
you guys making stuff like that?
we handmade that. We had some friends that own a metal shop there in town, and I went over there and spent 2.5, 3 days with them, and that's how it turned out.
Okay, so let's go down the truck there. Actually, let's take a look on the inside and see what you guys got going on there.
The Davis brothers kind of went through and redone our interior for us, done the sound system, and they've done all the painting. And that's the carpet was a kind of a handmade deal there, where they actually took 4 pieces of carpet and put it all together there, so we could have the white and the blue stripe in there to match the theme of the truck. It runs all the way through.
That button tuck is amazing.
Yeah, Kevin over there at Davis Brothers, he's the master of all that. There's 2 flat screen TVs, and we've got 7 amps. There's a total of 22 speakers in the truck. 4,700 watts. There's 9 batteries in the truck now.
9 batteries.
It just all the speakers have backlighting behind them, so at night it really looks cool. Everybody seems to love it. So.
All right, so let's go further down the truck and see what else we got going on here.
This year we've decided that we were going to upgrade the fenders, and we put a new set of fenders on it. It's been up and down the highway. We drive it to the shows, so they get dinged and rock chipped, and everyday scratches on them. So.
Okay.
We figured it was time for a new set of fenders.
All right, now this wagon's looking pretty good. Tell me about the
Well, this wagon, we went and picked it up probably about 2.5 weeks ago. And 2 weeks ago, we decided that we were going to show it combo, which it came all red from the factory. We brought it home, We added the lights to it. We added all the center panels to it. We actually took the factory lighting package that was on it, which was the 3 ovals, and we made sure everything was welded up and body filled in before the stripe went on. We added all the watermelon lights to it. We added the stainless door on the chain box. Just spent basically about 6 days on this trailer, because we had it at a stripe place for about 4.5 days getting the stripe put on. Right. So we didn't have a whole lot of time with the trailer, but it really turned out nice.
Yeah. Now, a lot of this stuff you guys have done yourself, right?
Yeah, we have. We've got into that business to where we're actually starting to build trucks now. It's under Never Satisfied Builds on Facebook and Instagram. You can come check us out. There's a way to get a hold of us on the pages. So we've started doing a lot of in-house stuff. We've not got into the interior part of it yet. So we're slowly getting into that. We want to be a one-stop full-service deal.
Right.
So.
Well, I tell you what, though, you guys got a handle on it. And from seeing what you guys are doing here, I needed to spin around so we can look at the back side of this box here. But everything looks really great. And so someone can get a hold of you to have some installations done, or if they need some specialized bracketry, tell me about that.
Well, like I said, you can go on our Instagram page or our Facebook page, or, you can call direct, and the phone number is 417-380-2400. Tell us kind of what you're looking for, and we'll see if we can't hook you up.
All right, well, easy enough. Now, Randy, since I commandeered you here to talk about your truck, you mind, you find some other select trucks to talk about, we interview them?
Right, let's go play the lot.
All right, so we're going to end this video here for everybody watching live. We'll be back to you in a few minutes.